me a beg you, oh me guide them Father, make me see the haters a come more. Please guide me Jehovah, Father protect your soul. Can't stop me 'cause me heart too clean. Can't kill me 'cause me heart.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. And if you're a returning subscriber, you already know you lit. Welcome back to my channel. Now today I'll be installing these spring Singalese twists from Entrance Styles, an Amazon hair company. So they sent me 8 packs of these 14-inch Singalese twists, and it's in the color 1B. I used the zigzag pattern for the front, and I did regular straight back braids in the back. And don't even mind the faces that she's making. I'm not braiding her hair tight, but her scalp was a little bit tender when she washed it, so yeah. Now let's get into this hair. Now once again, this is Entrance Styles, an Amazon hair company, and these are their spring Singalese twists, 14-inch in the color 1B. And they also have colors T30, T27, and T Burgundy. And right now they are $36.99. And they also have a coupon right now for 50% off. So if you try and get you some spring Singalese twists, you better go get them now. Okay, see, I love these twists because they are so soft, and it's like they're thick, so it doesn't take that long to install them. But they're thick, but they're not really thick, because like when you pull it down, it's a small twist, but because they're spring twists, it makes them look thick. So it took me about 2 hours to install this. The longest part was braiding her hair down, but this hair, it was super easy to install, so soft, so cute. She loved it, I loved it. And this is the finished look. we just playing around with the styles. See how she was gonna wear her hair to work the next day or whatever. Once again, thank you so much, Entrance Styles, for sending me this hair to review. I love these spring singlies twists. Perfect for a quick protective style. And for more pictures and videos, go ahead and check out my Instagram at Styles by Honey with 2 Y's. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up anyway. Thank you so much for supporting Styles by Honey. I love you so much.